But the thing is, because even if you've got a bunch of people, it just means you've got to wash and dry them in
Mm,
between,
yeah,
the morning cuppa and the afternoon cuppa or whatever you do. No
yeah.
big deal, is it? You just
No.
wash it. Like you say, it
Yeah.
doesn't build up.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah. And if there's a bunch of us here, you just stick it all in the dishwasher.
yes.
Mm.
Dear. Have you got a dishwasher there?
There is one, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Use
the
it
full size.
occasionally. Don't use it.
Yeah.
I don't know, because there's quite a few of my things that aren't dishwasher proof.
Mm,
So if you've got to wash them by hand anyway, I just
mm. You might
most of
as
the
well do the
time,
rest.
yeah,
Yeah.
might as well do the rest.
Mm,
But if I haven't done dishes for um, I don't know, a day or two, it does build up
mm,
a little bit. Can't build up too much because I don't own that much, but it
mm.
does build up enough that sometimes I'll do a
Yeah,
dishwasher run.
yeah,
And
yeah.
when
Mine's,
visitors are here, I use the dishwasher. You
yeah,
just
yeah.
chuck it all in, turn the dishwasher on, then it's all ready for the next meal.
That's right. Yeah. I remember looking at a story by a lady who had probably the same thing as me, MECFS, and she'd gone to a psychologist and just said she's just so stressed and
Mm,
just general life is so hard to do.
mm,
And she
mm,
sort of said, "Oh, and then I left everything. No, something happened with the dishwasher, and everything in it was still dirty, and so she had to get it all out and wash it by hand or
mm,
something." And the psychologist said, "No, you just turn the dishwasher again on again." And I went, I'd have done what this woman did. I wouldn't have.
yeah,
And so now, if something's still dirty, I just leave it in the dishwasher. It can go
yeah,
around another, I don't care if it goes around three times.
yeah,
So
yeah,
it's utilizing the tools and not putting pressure on yourself when, especially when you're under strain.
yeah, absolutely,
Yeah. Mm.
absolutely. Well, that was because I've always, when when I had my first child, we got a tumble dryer. I wanted
Oh,
a tumble
yes.
dryer. But I've never been a big user of the tumble dryer, especially in South Australia, because
Mm.
I don't know, you just have such good weather, sunny weather. Like it's
Mm.
just seems better to me to stick it out on the line.
Yeah.
But when I had my third child, I made the decision when I was just before I had it that actually it's okay. I can put everything in the washing machine and then straight up into the dryer
Mm.
and, and no pressure. I don't have to go and hang it out on the line. And man,
Mm.
that made a huge difference
Yeah.
being able to get through that first, those first few
Yeah.
months of having three little tackers.
Yeah.
And and I think you just got to give ourselves permission to use these things, don't we, if we've got them?
Yes.
And
We
for
buy
whatever
them because
reason,
they save
mm,
us energy. I
mm,
didn't use mine a lot early on. I did with when I had a child, but it's always been available more because we get dog hair or something on
mm,
things and it
yeah,
gets the dog hair off. When I got sick with ME/CFS, I I just did not have the energy. I could load the
mm,
machine and turn it on. I didn't have the energy to hang
mm,
much up. So I
mm,
put most anything that I could put in the dryer went in the dryer.
mm,
And then yeah, and other things I might be
mm,
able to hang them up on an indoor line because I didn't have the energy to lift my arms right up to hang them on a
mm,
clothesline. And
mm,
yeah, so and since then I've just done it with say the underwear and that and
mm,
just whacked it in there and hung the rest out.
mm. Well,
So
mine died.
oh,
So,
it's not
and I
good.
look at how much it costs to replace, and I just think, hmm. So I haven't.
It's just you at the moment, isn't it?
It's
So
just
yeah.
me. I'm on my
Mm,
own. Would it
yeah.
be handy and would I use it if it was here? I would sometimes through winter
Mm,
because we have so much rainy weather here. So,
mm,
but I've got this little, I don't know what to call it, cover thing. It used to be an outdoor umbrella, but the
oh
umbrella
yes.
died. So we've got the canvas from it, and I've put that over the top of my clothesline, like the
Yep.
Hills hoist, the old-fashioned Hills hoist
Yep.
is what's here at this house. So
A
I've stuck
real
that
one.
over the top, yeah.
Mm,
And when it rains, so I can just hang my clothes. I mean, it doesn't fit right to the very edges of it. So I can't use the
mm,
outside rail, but I can use the
yeah.
inside rails. lines,
Yeah.
and so I just hang my clothes on those inside ones, and it dries as though it was a veranda.
Yeah. Oh, that works. Yeah. We
Or
bought a
I just,
Mrs. Yeah.
I was just going to say, or obviously on a clothes error
Mm.
inside.
We bought a Mrs. Peg's line. It's just like one of those ones you lift out from the house, but it's just on
Yeah,
legs. And it
yeah,
was expensive, but it's just fantastic
yeah,
because it's a
yeah,
little bit higher, so you can hang queen sheets on it.
yeah,
And yeah, and that has been a godsend for when I'm unwell, or more particularly when it's really wet, and just hang stuff up.
yeah,
Yeah, and I think I
yeah,
can get 2 loads on there of
yeah,
hanging gear. Yeah.
yeah. Is that
So
inside or on your veranda? You put that
inside. I
inside, yeah,
usually do it inside. This house is big enough to put it up inside,
yes,
and often in winter we've got the fire going. So
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
But if I was
That's
living
the
in a
thing here.
small,
It's such a small, it's such a small
yeah,
place that actually, as soon as I've got anything on the air, is a bit of a pain because
mm,
there's, yeah, because it's always
mm,
in the way.
yeah,
Mm.
yes,
And if there was more than me here, I'd probably just go and buy another tumble dryer. To be
yeah.
honest,
I bought a camper line. It's a little hills hoist shape to a degree, but
oh yes,
the
yeah,
leg, yeah, the arms
I've
go
seen
up
them.
for
Yep,
your knickers. Yeah, a knicker line
yep,
sort of thing, and small
yeah,
items go on that for camping. So yeah,
yeah,
that's handy when we're out there. So there's
yeah,
ways to, especially if you're living on your own, I think.